Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you my learnings or realizations in my 17 years of living. Hindi naman talaga madali ang life. Lalo na kung ang usual problem is like the personal development. And these are the things that I realize along the way. Which hindi ko siya na-realize ng sarili ko lang. But then, of course, other people helped me to realize it on my own. And I'm really grateful for those people na, just amazing people who helped me. So, the first thing is, you don't know everything. Take it as it is, but you don't know everything. I thought that I know everything and I can do everything. Sometimes, having that perspective sa sarili mo na you can do things is actually good. But then, if yun na yung nagiging reason why other people felt small or, just it affects other people not in a good way, then that's the sign na hindi na siya magandang trait. So, you don't really know everything. And as much as possible, like, as you grow older, syempre dun ka mas matututo, diba? Kasi, for me, you stop learning sa time na namatay ka na. My life and the things that happened really humbled me. I'm being true to myself and I'm being honest to myself. But then I realized then there's always good in you, and you just have to really explore yourself and learn from your mistakes. So, okay, the next thing is stop finding the love you deserve in the wrong place. It's the wrong place for a reason. So, if you're not invited or if you're not belong there, then don't force yourself na lang. It's just that you cannot really force people or things or situations to work for you. You can only focus on what you can control. So, actually, what I mean about finding the love you deserve in the wrong place or in the wrong person is sometimes there are people na akala natin that are yun ba yung nagmamahal sa atin, which sometimes they fail to love you. And it's really important to just learn then na it's not always about you. And manggaling na rin siguro sa yung love na yun na hindi nila nabigay sa'yo. Like, you choose na lang din na magmahal. But then, even your family, like, if they don't love you the way you want them to love you, then ikaw na lang din yung magmahal sa sarili mo. Yeah. The next is how you live your day. It's how you live your life. It's really given or it's really obvious that how you live your day is how you live your life. But most of the time, we're in this state na parang we always expect for that good day to come or good moments or perfect day or perfect time na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto natin gawin. But pwede mo naman siyang gawin ngayon or pwede mo naman siyang paghandaan ngayon. It's actually nice to plan things. It's actually nice to anticipate things or dream things that someday I will do that, someday I will do this. But then, sometimes it's in our small actions and it's small take sa life na gawin natin siya paunti-unti or gawin natin siya ngayon, like now. So, if you want to be a good person, then do something or do things slowly or like every single day. Nung parang retreat siya. Yung pinaka-highlight talaga ng retreat na yun is, or what you're doing today will shape you tomorrow. Every actions that you take today, every actions na ginagawa mo ngayon, eventually it will become like a habit. And then magiging practice mo na siya and it will become your routine and eventually magiging ikaw na yun. So, ito isa pang point na a good circle of friends actually is important. Hindi lang kasi yung mga friends mo yung makakatulong sa'yo to change yourself. But then, maybe it's your teacher. Or maybe it's your family din. Or maybe it's someone na nakalala mo. And because I believe that every people na dumarating sa buhay natin, even if it's just a short time, period of time, meron silang purpose na ituturo sa'yo. Meron silang lesson. They will always have or something na may iwan sa'yo. People come and go also. And ang may iwan na lang sa'yo is the learnings that you got from them. And I think that's really beautiful because the fact na I learned something or I've been inspired because of that person, and it's just really a nice and beautiful thing to have or to experience. And yeah. And the last thing that I learned along the way is, eto talaga, there's always light in the end of the tunnel. Like, whatever you're going through right now, whatever situation na nandoon ka, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. And just so you know, na I was really that self-conscious na tao na parang I always tend to understand things always. Parang I need to understand things na parang deeper kasi if I don't, then that will really make me overthink a lot. And most of the time, I used to spend time alone by myself. Parang wala akong kausap masyado or wala akong masyadong human interaction. And it was really hard for me to get outside of that darkness, or that circle, or yung sarili mong mundo. Parang I'm the type ng bata na I always have my own world. So, and of course, I thank God because di ko naman ma-meet yung mga tao na if He didn't give me those people. Kasi I think every people that I've met so far is from God. And parang may reason kung bakit nangyari yun. So, actually, guys, life goes on. Like, hindi magiging madali. Yun eh. Hindi madali. Pero, darating yung time na everything will be fine. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. Whatever you're going through right now, believe me when I say na malalampasan mo yan. Na makakayanan mo yan. Kasi personally, as I was reflecting sa buhay ko, it's like the table turns and I'm just grateful for everything na nangyari. Nangyari lahat yun because of a reason. And I won't become who I am today if I didn't experience those struggles, those pain, those things. So, and I hope you learned something from this video. And I just want you to know that you are not alone. You're not going to be alone because God really made me realize na yes, you will go through tough stuff, but then God is there, and God is just there para gabayan ka, para tulungan ka, para mahalin ka. Because God really made me realize na hindi ako mag-isa, na hindi ako, alone. Kasi all this time, I thought I'm alone, parang. But then, I wasn't. And I'm just grateful for everything. So,